In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Gmail account without knowing the first name and last name associated with it. Sometimes recovering an account when you don't have the full details can seem daunting, but don't worry. We'll walk through the steps and tips you'll need with clarity and simplicity. First, if it's your account, Google provides a handy tool called Forgot Email, which is specifically designed for username recovery. This can be particularly useful when you know either the phone number or recovery email tied to your account. Let's go through the supported route step by step. To start, open your browser and navigate to the Google username recovery page at accounts.google.com/signin/username recovery. Once you're on the page, you'll be prompted to enter either your phone number or recovery email address. This step is crucial because Google uses these contact points to verify your identity. After entering the information, click Next. Now Google will ask for the full name on the account. While it might seem like a setback if you don't have it, you might recall details over time or find associated documents that might include this information. Once you provide the full name, Google will guide you through confirming your ownership of the account. During this confirmation process, you may receive a verification code sent to your phone or recovery email. Keep your phone at hand or check your recovery email inbox for this verification code. It's a crucial step to ensure your account recovery progresses smoothly. After verifying your identity with the code, Google will show you the usernames associated with the information you provided. Carefully review the list and select the correct username to proceed with logging back into your account. If, by chance, you've been using your phone number for signing in directly, there's an alternative method you can try. Simply enter your phone number in the sign-in screen. This field accepts both email addresses and phone numbers, which could be a more straightforward way if it's already linked. In case you encounter any issues during this process, Google's Account Recovery Help Center is a valuable resource. It provides detailed explanations of the required information and offers guidance on next steps should you hit a snag. So take these steps one at a time, and remember, persistence is key. Retrieving your Gmail account without knowing the full name might take a bit more effort, but with these detailed instructions, you're well on your way to regaining access. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have further questions or need more assistance,